What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. I'm an HVAC company of one. Today's task is a leaking condenser coil. We're going to be swapping that out today. It's on the roof, so we got to get all our tools up here and get started. Now that I got my tools up here, I can get started on getting this coil taken out, get the new one put in. Whew. First, I need to hydrate and get my hat on. Gotta be safe. Alright, so what I'm gonna do on this one is try to take this whole panel off as one piece with all the wiring, so we don't have to really touch anything. All I have to do is take off the condenser fan motor, and then this whole assembly should just come off. All the wiring will stay intact. Go from there. I will tell you what, I really enjoy working on rooftops. Even though it's warm up here, it's still nice because you're outside and fresh air. I got the sunshine. It is fun. I enjoy it. So we got the unit started up, the vacuum went well. So now I need to go downstairs, check some temperatures so we know what kind of superheat we got on this system. This does have an indoor fixed metering device, so I'll need to go downstairs and check the wet bulb and go from there. But we pretty much got this one finished up. Just a little bit more to do.